I got a crazy boxing workout for y'all. 10 by 10 by 10, totaling 100 in under 10 minutes. Hello, Earthlings. Here. And today we're gonna get into a 10 by 10 by 10, totaling 100, and we're gonna try to do this in under 10 minutes. We're gonna do the jab cross 10 times, followed by 10 seconds of rest, and then 10 push-ups, and then another 10 seconds of rest, and just wanna do this in continuation. You're gonna be sweating, it's gonna be intense. Try to keep those hands up and stay true to form. Now, if you need some water, get some water, but other than that, let's begin. All right, so if you're southpaw, it's gonna be left foot right outside that right foot, and if you're conventional, it's gonna be right foot right outside that left foot. We're gonna have your heel in alignment with your toe. Your front toe is gonna be about a 30 to 35 degree angle. I apologize for my voice, I'm a little sick right now. And then for the back foot, you're gonna have it straight in the other direction. Stay nice and light on those toes, slightly bend your knees, bring those elbows in, bring it forward, tuck your chin, and get comfortable rocking. Now, this is like a warm-up 10 of jab cross. You're just gonna throw it out there nice and loose to get the blood flowing and get those arms in the direction of where it needs to go. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 10 push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then another 10 seconds of rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Let's go. 10 jab crosses. 1, 2, a little bit more intensity. 3, keep those elbows in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a full push-up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10 jab crosses, round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shake it out. 4, 3. Good deep breath. 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6. Shake it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 5, just about halfway there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Round 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. Shake it out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's keep those hands up. 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that lactic acid is building up because it's barely any amount of rest, but take as much time as you need to. If you need to pause it, pause it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, shake it out. I know your arms are getting tired. It's intense. You barely get any rest and you go right into it. All right, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's go. One more. Shake it out. 10. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Round 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. Shake it out. 8, 7, 6, 5. I know this is intense. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good deep breath in. 2 more times. Let's get this last 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, little breather. Shake it out. That lactic acid is building up like crazy. All right, right back into it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 9. Let's go. Last 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you need to take a sip of water, take a sip of water. Deep breath in. Let's get these last 20, baby. Woo! I know this is intense. I feel it. I know you feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, shake it out. 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, shake it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go right into that last 10. 1, 2, 3, snap it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 8, finish strong. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get this money. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, shake it out. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. About to hit that 100 reps for the push-ups and 100 times for the jab cross. Woo! I know it's intense, but you got this. Let's get it. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I'm talking about. If you've never done something like this before, I know this is a lot for you to take in. Take as long as a rest as you need it to catch your breath. Drink some water, get some good protein in there. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. And if you want to catch more videos like this one, check out this video right here. And always work towards becoming your greatest version.